Welcome to 23 Lakeview Avenue. This stunning contemporary masterpiece features views to prestigious Preston Lake. Conveniently situated steps to the southern shore, park, and sandy beaches of Preston Lake. This spectacular 70-acre lake is a natural kettle lake and provides breathtaking views, maximum seclusion, and a communion with nature. This park-like setting provides the ultimate opportunity for outdoor relaxation and enjoyment. A tastefully appointed home and cottage in one, while only minutes to Aurora, Markham, shopping, amenities, and highways. This custom-designed home offers 5,500 square feet of leading-edge architectural design, reflecting flow, function, simplicity, and integration utilizing an open floor plan, quality finishings, and clean lines. The family room offers an intelligent sun-kissed layout with a soaring double-height open concept, wide plank flooring, and walls of glass. Entertain and dine in the ultra-sleek gourmet kitchen, outfitted with custom Italian kitchen cabinets, high-end built-in appliances including Sub-Zero and Wolf, a breakfast bar, inset lighting, and a dining area. There is a walkout to the oversized backyard deck overlooking the mature trees. The main floor offers 10-foot ceilings and an additional powder room. When transitioning to the upper level, you'll be greeted by the spacious living room with custom cabinetry and shelving, a cozy gas fireplace, and inset LED lighting. There is an office overlooking the front yard and lake, as well as a glass railing overlooking the towering windows and manicured grounds. The master suite is the last word in luxurious pampering, featuring a gas fireplace, walk-in closet with custom organizers, and a spa-like 7-piece ensuite. The second level offers 2 additional spacious bedrooms, both offering luxurious 3-piece ensuite washrooms. The third level offers a 4th bedroom or multi-purpose recreational room, complete with a closet and a 3-piece ensuite washroom. In addition, there is a walkout to a breathtaking, spectacular, and large balcony or terrace overlooking the still waters of prestigious Preston Lake. The lower level features a recreational room with a wet bar, a pre-wired media or theater room, and a 5th bedroom with a 3-piece ensuite bathroom. 23 Lakeview Avenue is nestled in the heart of the prestigious Preston Lake community and only steps to the southern shores, offering a premium and mature approximately 132 by 150 foot lot. The South Shore Park plays host to community events including Canada Day celebrations, ending with a spectacular fireworks display over the water. The manicured park features a playground, recent landscaping, including an upgraded retaining wall, as well as space to store paddle boats and canoes, and a sandy beach. The West Shore Park boasts a large sand beach, playground, volleyball court, gazebo, and a large dock with Muskoka chairs. Prestigious Preston Lake creates a tranquil park-like setting for your personal enjoyment. For the outdoor enthusiast, recreation is endless, with canoeing, paddle boating, sailing, swimming, and fishing in the summer, and skating in the winter. Year-round, the lake plays host to an abundance of natural wildlife, including a group of majestic swans who call Preston Lake home. 23 Lakeview is conveniently situated 2 minutes to Highway 404, as well as the newly confirmed GO station at Bloomington and Highway 404. A short drive to Aurora, Markham, and Richmond Hill, and approximately 30 minutes to Toronto. Welcome to 23 Lakeview Avenue, an entertainer's delight inside and outside. Welcome home. 23 Lakeview is proudly being offered with marketing services by Farquharson Realty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this important video. At Farquharson Realty, we are proud to have sold some of the finest homes in Stouffville, Uxbridge, and the GTA for more than 60 years, offering industry-leading world-class marketing that gets results, providing maximized global internet reach and exposure, staging consultations and custom floor plans, networking, social media, and key promotional partnerships, offering our valid clients exclusive innovative marketing initiatives, including interactive property videos with custom property domain websites, showcasing high-definition aerial videography and voice-over narratives, carefully guiding our potential buyers through key property details and special home features, as well as Farquharson Realty's satellite imagery neighborhood flybys, outlining property boundaries and demonstrating your home's proximity to key amenities. Introducing Farquharson 360, three-dimensional models and virtual tours, which invites a buyer to explore a space as if they were actually there, including distinct dollhouse views and interactive virtual tour experiences. Do you own an in-town home? If so, imagine the possibilities. It's time to expect more in the marketing of your home. Call today to learn more about our in-town home division, offering exclusive and specialized luxury marketing packages for your in-town home. Farquharson Realty is proud to be family-owned and operated since 1956, with a professional full-time real estate team with over 100 years of combined real estate knowledge and experience. Combined with consistent award-winning performance, ranking in the top 1% of realtors for the last 25 years consecutively. We are proud to have the #1 realtor and the #1 team for all of Stouffville in 2016 and 2017, and for all of Uxbridge for 2016 and 2017, along with the #1 realtor and team for all of Stouffville and Uxbridge combined for 14 of the last 15 years. Quite simply, no realtor or team sells more. Experience matters when market conditions change. This is the time in the real estate market when only the best will do. Whether buying or selling, in town, big or small, 1 acre or 100, we invite you to take the first step and discover why Farquharson Realty is the popular choice. We look forward to hearing from you. Whether you require a free, no-obligation home evaluation, updates on the real estate market, or wish to join our VIP list to be updated on new listings and exclusive offerings, we invite you to contact us today through our office line at 905-640-4151 or by email at dfarquharson@trevnet.com. We look forward to hearing from you.